Walmart and Microsoft team up.
AWS becomes the official partner of MLB.
AWS goes down amidst Prime Day outage.
Google Cloud experiences outages. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Lifter Roundup, July 20th, 2018.
Welcome to another edition of the Cloud Roundup on LifterNews.com. I'm Shaylee Webb.
And I'm Corey Bowling. It's been an eventful week, so let's jump right in to take a look at some interesting changes in the cloud and how they impacted the Lifter Index.
Walmart announced earlier this week that it's officially making Microsoft its preferred cloud provider. The two companies have signed a 5-year strategic cloud partnership that will see a number of changes for the retail giant. Walmart has stated that its key focus is machine learning and artificial intelligence.
The company will also be migrating a significant portion of Walmart.com and SamsClub.com to Azure, including the cloud-powered checkout service. This partnership is significant as both of these companies are major rivals of Amazon. Walmart's press materials for the deal declared, quote, "Through this partnership, Walmart is investing in its people with a phased rollout of Microsoft 365, providing associates with the productivity tools to foster a culture of collaboration, creativity, and communication."
Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella also expressed his sentiment in a statement saying he was, quote, "thrilled to partner with Walmart to accelerate their digital transformation." Is this partnership more than the enemy of my enemy is my friend? What might a collaboration between Microsoft Store and Sam's Club look like? Keep an eye out for more updates from Lifter on this partnership in the future.
AWS hit a home run this week when it announced that Major League Baseball had chosen the company as its official provider for machine learning, AI, and deep learning. This partnership extends an already long-standing relationship between the two.
MLB wants to use AWS services in order to develop a new technology to drive fan experience and engagement. They also want to continue the development of StatCast, a tracking technology to analyze player performance post-game.
This isn't the first major sports cloud partnership to make headlines. AWS also partnered with the NFL last November, and Alibaba Cloud is the official cloud provider of the Olympics. The Chief Technology Officer at MLB, Jason Getke, stated, quote, "Incorporating machine learning into our systems and practice is a great way to take understanding of the game to a whole new level for our fans and the 30 clubs. Fans will have to wait and see what new innovations they are going to bring to their ballpark experience." Don't count AWS safe across home plate yet. AWS also experienced outages this week when customers were not able to access the AWS Management Console when using their login credentials. At the time of entering their login information, the customer would be met with the sight of an error message and a picture of an Amazon employee's dog to, quote, "lessen the blow."
These issues come only hours after Amazon.com's outage issues during Prime Day, though a spokesperson for the company says the outages were not connected. Though other AWS services were not affected, customers were receiving error messages from 12:28 p.m. to 3:13 p.m. Pacific Time, almost 3 hours of on and off downtime.
A spokesman for AWS wrote in an email, quote, "We saw some intermittent AWS Management Console issues earlier today, but they did not drive any meaningful impact on Amazon's consumer business. Both Google Cloud and AWS outages affected their Lifter Index reliability scores. But AWS also took a big hit in the Lifter Index social media sentiment analysis because of the cross-branding between Amazon Prime and Amazon Web Services."
It seems AWS wasn't the only major cloud provider having outages this week. Google Cloud announced outages Tuesday that lasted for less than an hour before they were resolved.
The outage affected Google's service that provides computing storage and data management tools for companies and came only a day after Amazon.com Incorporated's extended service issues. Though the outage lasted under an hour, its downtime affected major applications like Spotify and Snapchat. A status report provided on the Google Cloud status dashboard pointed to a problem with the global load balancing service for the provider.
The load balancing service automatically distributes customers' application workloads across servers or data centers to ensure that no single resource is being overworked to the point of degraded performance or failure. Some speculate this was the issue that led to the outage. However, Google engineers are still investigating the disruption. And that's a wrap for this week's Roundup on LifterNews.com. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@lifternews.com. See you next week.